Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change any block color. So this video is for MATLAB beginners who are just learning MATLAB. They design their model just with colorable, means they want to make their model so much colorful. So this video is for them. So it's very easy, just right click on any block that you want to change the color of that block and go to format and go to foreground color or background color. Foreground color if you want to make it green. Okay, let's format background color if you like to blue, like, okay, and format in background color if you want to change it green. Very easy thing you can do. Even you can add shadow, look little bit shadow is the, and even you can change those color customly, means here are only few. So here if you click on this custom, if you can add, okay, any block just right click on it, go to foreground color, the thing, select thing, will change the background color. This is very simple thing. So this is how you can change the color of any block color, some block color. So if this video help you, please like very much. Thank you guys.